What's up, Moneygang? Thanks for joining in. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make 300 rands a day. 300 rands a day. But before I get into that, quick house, what do they call it? The house rules or protocols? I don't know. I'm raw in my videos. I won't be editing much because I don't have an editor, and I don't have time to be editing my videos with work, businesses, and things that I have to do. So remember, for you to win vouchers in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed, you have to be liking, you have to be commenting on the videos so that you stand a chance of winning. If you have not subscribed, you are not commenting, you are not liking, or you are not following what you're supposed to do, you won't win. So don't be quick to read or hear the first part and then rush into whatever you want to do. You won't stand a chance of winning. And we're going to be bumping up the cheese. It's not going to be 10 Rand vouchers. It's going to go up, because the whole goal in this thing is for you to move away from Betway slowly, because it's more of an unreliable source of income. And then you have something more stable that you can work with. So that's my whole goal with this channel, is to move you away slowly from Betway and having ways to make more money. Because to be quite fair with you, there's a lot of unemployment and people need to find more ways to make money online. So let's jump right straight into it. What we're going to be going over today is how to make 300 rands a day. So it is through a website called IQ Options. So you can just go to your Google search. This is it here. This is IQ Options. Yeah, this one does not look like it. There we go. So it should look orange. Sorry guys, there's no music in the background or anything like that, like your usual channels. So this is what you're getting. It's just raw material. I'll try to put in music or whatever, but it's all about making money. So it's raw. We'll see what we can do going forward with that. So with IQ Options, it is simple. It's been tested. It's one of the brokers, online brokers, that you are guaranteed that you won't have any problems with. I don't have any deal with them for sharing them as a broker that I like. It is just me making money from them, withdrawing from them, and never receiving any problems whatsoever. It's user friendly. They can chat with you, etc., etc. But a lot of you all might be thinking, what is this guy even talking about? So with IQ Options, it's an online trading platform where you are able to make money through trades that you are making. Now, a lot of you might be scared, saying, oh no, is this another Forex gimmick? But no, it is not a gimmick. I've made money every day through IQ Options. I've withdrawn large sums of money. You just need to know what you're doing so that you can profit the most out of it. I don't like making long videos, so I'm going to try to make this video short so that you can learn as much as you can. My biggest issue while I was learning this, how to trade, and listening to other people talking about it, they always had these theories, and then there's never been a practical, or a practical will be weird in the sense that I'm not learning anything from what they're saying. So my goal is, when I reach enough subscribers to have something substantial, I am going to start live trading with the people. So when I'm saying I'm making 300 rands a day, we are making 300 rands together. So you know that we'll be reading the markets together, learning together, and etc. etc. So with this one, man, I don't want to make a long video. So you would click sign up here. And you, same thing with Betway, you would need your FICA documents ready. That is very important, guys. Same thing with Betway. Your FICA documents, that is your ID, your banking details. If the card must have your name on it, it must be signed. Take a picture of the front and back. All those things for any platform where you will be doing transactions online. So with this one, it's a simple sign up. Automatically gives South Africa. If you're from a different country, you just select your country. I'm shooting this from South Africa. You choose your email, a password, then you just confirm, and you open a free account. You'll get a demo version that you can use to follow through with whatever we are working on here. But this is basically the setup today. Okay, I'm going to do the setup with you. We're going to have a series of different things. This will just be on IQ options trading, and then we'll be making money together. That's one thing that should excite you, that we're making the money together. It's not, hey, do this and that's it, but no, I'm walking with you through the journey. The minimum deposit that they give you is $10, which now is 180 something rand, if I'm not mistaken. The rand is doing horribly and it's bad for business these days. But anyway, going off tangent now. So focus on signing up first. Sign up, everyone, just sign up. Make sure that you signed up. And then in the next video, I'm going to try to post at least 3 videos a week. So just sign up on IQ options for now. That's the main thing that I want you to do. Sign up on IQ options, have your ID ready, have your bank card ready. As you can see, these people are guaranteed. You have Capitec, FNB, Absa, Standard Bank. You can... Dang, my phone was overheating, so it cut off while I was saying something. Now I have to edit. I hate editing. I have to just cut it and put it together. But yeah, anyways, you can do some research on them. You'll see that even Investec is here. You know, this is everyone that you can use. The Skrill. If you don't know what Skrill is, it's like PayPal. Natella's like PayPal as well. Different ways that you can deposit and withdraw money in. So for now, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this making 300 rands a day. This is not clickbait. This is legit stuff. Legit stuff. Work with me here. Let's get the bag. Moneygang, let's get the bag. You know, I want everyone to comment here right now. Moneygang. Hashtag Moneygang. 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 We need to move as a unit, you know, working to finding ways to build and make more money. If you don't have multiple sources of income in this day and age, you are toast. You know, if we're looking at 300 rands a day, for example, look at these calculations. If we have 300 rands a day, let's see if I can. So if we have 300, let's say we're working 5 days in a week, that's 1,500 a day. And then if we multiply that by 4, that's 6,000 from extra cash on the side that you'll be getting just from this. And this is just one thing that I'm showing you. Once again, I don't want to make my videos long. I just want to go straight into what we'll be doing. So for today, sign up, and then I'm going to shoot another video on how we actually make the trades. It's not hard. I'm going to explain it like I'm explaining it to a 2 or 3 year old to understand, so we can move together in this. All right, so for today, comment hashtag Moneygang, and you'll stand a chance on winning. All right. If there's any questions that you have as well, put it down on the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let's make money. Get the bag.